What's going on, guys? My name is Abdul Kadir and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the second last video we create modern animated navbar using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. And if you didn't watch it, the link in the description, so go here and watch it if you are interested. Otherwise, if you only want to download the source code of second last video, the link is also in the description. So in this tutorial we will convert it into the React navbar. We will create this modern responsive navbar in React, and we will set up our routes as well so that we can go to the other pages. And this is my own ad, you can't skip it. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Either you hit the hammer on that, I don't know, just make sure you subscribed it. So enough promotion, Abdul, please stop your ad and start the video. So I am inside the VS Code editor because I am Gorilla. No, because we want to create the React app. So type npx create react app dot and it will create our React app inside the modern React navbar folder. After that, type npm start and it will start our React app. Now we need to delete couple of things because we want to keep it simple. So after deleting, convert the app function into the arrow function. Now remove this h1 hello world. Now go to the index.js and remove import index.css, also the report web vitals. I tried to keep it simple and clean, remove the comments as well. Now look at our browser hello world. Now stop the server, Control C and install the bootstrap. After installing, start the server and import the bootstrap in index.js. Now our font will be changed, it means bootstrap is set up successfully. Now create the pages folder inside the source folder. Then inside the pages we have about page folder, home, contact, services and testimonials. Inside the testimonials folder, create the testimonial.js file. Inside this we just create simple function and have a placeholder so that we can know that this is the testimonial page. So now do the same thing for the other pages as well. Service.js and service placeholder, home.js and home placeholder, contact.js and contact us placeholder, and for the last one is about.js and about placeholder. So far we just create the 5 pages. Now we need to set up our route so that we can go to these pages. So stop the server and install the React router DOM. After installing, start the server and start the server again. So import React from React, also import browser router, redirect and switch as well. After that, import all the pages that we create in the pages folder. Now we need to set up our route so that we can move to the other pages. So the router tag, remove this, and inside this we have a main tag. So inside main tag we have our first route, which is home. Then we have a route for our about page. So when we type /about, it will show the about page, and when we remove it, it will show the home page. So when user types something that is not our page, it will show the white screens. To handle this, write redirect to /. So when user types something that is not our page, it will redirect to the home page. But now when we type /about, which is our page, it also redirects to the home page. So to handle this, we need to wrap all of this in switch. Now when we type /about, it will show the about page, and when user types something that is not our page, it will redirect to the home page. So set up our other routes. Now we have a service route, testimonial routes, also the contact route. After set up the route, we need to create the component folder. and inside this we have a navbar folder. Create navbar.js file, and inside this we have a navbar placeholder temporarily. Now import the navbar in app.js, and above the main tag we have our navbar. So now look at in our browser and it will show the navbar on all pages. Now remove the navbar placeholder, and inside the navbar folder create navbar.css file and import it in our navbar.js file. Also import the nav link from the React Router DOM. After that, create our navbar using the bootstrap classes. Then we have a bootstrap navbar brand. After that, we have a collapse button. Then we have a div. So then we have a div inside, and inside this we have a UL tag. Then we have a div just like we did in the second last video. After that, we have our first link, which is home. Now create the about link after the home, and you can see we can easily move on to the pages. So about, home. Similarly, we have a service link, then testimonial link. After that, we have contact us link. You can see our link is working perfectly, and we can move on to the other pages easily. Right now our icon is not showing in our link, so to solve this, go to the index.html file, which is in public folder. Let me write the title, modern React Navbar, and above this title paste the font awesome CDN link. So now our icon will be appear in our link. We need to style our navbar, so go to the navbar.css file. We use roboto font. Then for body, after that margin and padding 0. So all this styling we did in the second last video, you can copy from there and paste it here if you don't want to type it. So right now our toggle button is not working. So to handle this situation, go to the index.js file and paste the bootstrap and jQuery script that we did in the second last video. So now our toggle button is working perfectly on smaller devices. So now I'm writing this styling part, and it is the same like we did in the second last video. So media query, so that it appears good on all devices. So our styling part is done now. Right now our navbar is not animated because we didn't write jQuery code. So stop the server and install the jQuery. After installing, start the server again. Now import the jQuery so that we can use it. Above the return, we will create the animation function and write some jQuery code so that our navbar is animated and looks exactly like in the second last video. Now we need to call this function so that we get our required result. So we will import use effect from React, and inside this we will call this function, and use effect did the same work as component did mount. So after this, our nav bar is animated, and on smaller devices it is not working. So to handle this situation, we need to call our function to the collapse button, so that when we click on the collapse button, it will run our function. So now it is working fine on smaller devices as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video and this video is beneficial for you. And again, my ad, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Either you hit the hammer on that, I don't know, just make sure you subscribed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.